For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India's COVID-19 tally breached a grim milestone of 10 lakh infections. Considering the spike in infections, the Indian Medical Association said community transmission has begun in India. IMA said with community transmission, the COVID-19 situation in the country looks bad.
Every day, the number of cases is increasing by more than 30,000. This is really a bad situation for the country. There are so many factors connected with it, but overall, this is now spreading to rural areas. This is a bad sign. It now shows a community spread.
The Indian Medical Association observed that cases are spreading to towns and villages, making it more difficult to control the pandemic.
Cases are penetrating down into towns and villages where it will be very difficult to control the situation. In Delhi, we were able to contain it. But what about interior parts of the country in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, which may be the new hotspots? All these issues are very important and the state governments should take full care and seek help of the central government to control the situation.
Dr. V.K. Monga, the chairman of IMA Hospital Board of India, said the virus can be contained in two ways. First, 70% of the population must contract the virus, thus, immunity is achieved. Second, immunization must be done through a vaccine. Hundreds of vaccine candidates have undergone clinical trials. However, these vaccine candidates must undergo human trials and efficacy tests. IMA said state governments should take full care and seek help from the center to handle the situation. The IMA's warning comes at a time when the Union Health Ministry has denied the presence of community transmission in India. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan also recently rubbished reports of community transmission in India. The centre's claims have challenged the claims of independent health experts who believe community transmission began way back in April. Despite India being the world's third most affected country, the government has denied community transmission. Top experts from ICMR, AIIMS, among others, slammed the government for denying the presence of community transmission. States like Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra have reported cases of community transmission. Only recently, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan confirmed community transmission in certain regions in the state. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare had earlier made a reference of community transmission in a report. The presence of community transmission was mentioned in the guidance for general medical and specialized mental health care settings on July 4th. However, the ministry has now removed any information of community transmission from its website. A paragraph stating signs of community transmission back in April has been removed by the Health Ministry. The continuous rise in COVID-19 cases has been often claimed as stage 3 of the COVID-19 pandemic. India continues to be the third worst affected country in the world with over 10.38 lakh infections. Over 38,000 infections were recorded in the country on Saturday, the highest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases.